In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Dsers to fulfill Shopify orders. If you want a smoother way to manage dropshipping orders, Dsers can help you connect your store, source products, and send customer orders to AliExpress much more efficiently. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the full setup and fulfillment flow so everything works properly from the beginning. First, go to the Dsers sign-up page and create a free account. During setup, choose your e-commerce platform, in this case Shopify, and authorize the connection so Dsers can install and sync with your store. After that, you'll be prompted to log into your AliExpress account so you can link your supplier side to Dsers. This connection is important because it allows Dsers to pull products and send orders directly for fulfillment. Next, it's time to import products. One option is to install the Dsers Chrome extension, which makes it easy to add products while you browse. If you prefer, you can also use the Find Suppliers feature inside the Dsers dashboard. This lets you search for products by keyword or even by image, which is useful if you already know what type of item you want to sell. Once you find a product you like, click Add to Import List. This saves it so you can review and edit it before publishing. After that, go to your import list in Dsers. This is where you customize the product before it appears in your store. You can edit the title, rewrite the description, adjust variants, and set your pricing. Taking a little time here helps make the product feel more branded and store ready. When everything looks good, click Push to Store to publish the product directly to your Shopify store. The next part is product mapping, and this step is very important for accurate fulfillment. In your Dsers dashboard, open My Products and select Mapping. Here, you connect the products in your store to the correct AliExpress suppliers and variants. This ensures that if a customer orders a specific size or color, Dsers sends the correct version to the supplier. Proper mapping helps prevent mistakes and keeps your order flow running smoothly. Once your setup is complete, fulfilling orders becomes much easier. When a customer places an order in your store, it automatically syncs to the Open Orders tab in Dsers. Then go to the Awaiting Order tab, select the orders you want to process, and click Order. From there, confirm the payment on AliExpress. One helpful advantage is that Dsers lets you pay for multiple orders at once, which saves time as your store grows. After the supplier ships the item, the tracking number will automatically sync back to the customer's order, making the fulfillment process much more hands-off.